so my name is Karin Björklund. I am production director in the Volvo CE transmission and axle plant in Sweden. I'm here for 1 week, great learnings, the Shinka management. We have been doing a lot of exercises, theoretical exercises, practical exercises and visits to interesting companies.
Especially the factory tours, especially around how they apply all the principles in the production system and how they actually do it instead of talking about it. They do it. That is really great to see. Also, of course, the food. It's an experience every meal here, to sit down around the table and to eat here with chopsticks, and the experience from everybody and see how we learn. It's a learning curve, even the food here. So all in all, my head is right now just full of impressions, and that is something I bring with me for many, many months to go, and hopefully I'll be back again.
My name is Anna Maria Carr and I am a learning program manager at the Volvo Group University. Being part of this training has really opened my eyes to how long and how dedicated the Japanese has been working with the Toyota production system, and also for us to be able to walk into different businesses to see the results and also hear about some of the struggles that they've had and overcome has opened my, and I'm sure also the participants' eyes.
No matter how knowledgeable or skilled you are in the lean aspects of production, there are plenty for you to learn, and not just seeing it when you go to the plants, but also experiencing it in the classroom. So I highly recommend it.
I think what we have done here within the Volvo Group, going in a training program, finishing with a visit like this, and also doing it together within a company is a great possibility. You both get learnings and understanding from home, and then you get here taking it to, for me at least, a completely new level. And in the same time you learn your colleagues, and your company gives great energy in getting back to work at home.
Great factory visits and a lot of eye-openers here. And of course it's been an amazing group of people, amazing leaders, just an amazing visit of Japan.